Yes, girl, posible talaga magkakaroon ka ng skin damages like this and this. Mabilis tatanda yung skin mo and worst case scenario is skin cancer if you're not using a credible product. Seryoso ako sa sinasabi ko ha. Short term, you'll get inflammation and sunburn. Long term naman, premature aging, dark spot, collagen breakdown, and weak skin barrier. The most alarming part, UV damage affects your DNA. It increases cancer risk. Kahit cloudy pa yan. Kaya hanggat wala pa tayo sa ganun na point, dapat agapan agad. I suggest you use a reliable product from L Formulas Zero Hydro Barrier Sunscreen. Lahat ng needs sa face mo, andito na. Using sunscreen kasi is one of the best anti-aging hacks and way cheaper than dealing with sun damage later. This sunscreen has been tested in actual humans for both SPF and UVA protection. So alam mo talaga na legit and will actually protect your skin. And dermatologists have verified these products kaya it works for sensitive skin like me. Literally everyone in all skin types can use this. Kaya sa mga nakubra nyo na bonus dyan, bumili kayo neto at mag-invest para sa sarili nyo. Buy products that are actually working and is safe sa face ninyo. Because we all know prevention is better than cure.